Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you I will show you plastic spoon crafts idea. So let's start today. Instead of throwing away plastic spoons, you can turn them into beautiful home decoration. A simple spoon can become a wonderful piece of art with a little creative. One popular idea is to make a flower, cut off the handle and arrange the spoon head like petal, paint them in bright color and place them on a canvas or in a frame for lovely wall art. And weavers, so friends, you can also create a beautiful mirror frame through plastic spoons around mirror in there to make a flower-like design. Spray painted in a golden, silver or white for elegant look. Another fun project is making a colorful lamp shade. Attach paint spoon to plastic bottle for frame. Create a unique light decorating that look modern and stylish. And weavers, friends, for holiday decoration, make Christmas ornaments, snowflake or festive art using a paint spoon and glitter. They are easy to make and add a handmade touch to your home. Kids can enjoy making animal crafts too with a few plastic spoons, googly eyes, paper and marker. You can create butterfly, fish, ladybug for funny faces. And friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the